one scientist in Delhi, our Delhi festival, he said very nicely that we scientists, we are just like learning how to bark like dog. Yeah. He said very plainly, because a dog is barking, everyone knows, but if there is a tent, an advertisement, here there's Mr. Such and Such will bark like a dog. And people will come and pay $10 fee. The man is barking. Very wonderful, let us see. So these rascals, the chemists, they are trying to manufacture living being within test tube. And they are becoming very famous. Oh, now they are making life in the rascals. There are so many hundreds and millions of life up there. Every day is being created. What credit you will get if you manufacture a life within test tube? But the rascals, they are all scientists. He is now going to manufacture life. Now show me how many. Yes, we are trying. It will be in future. Around Swarup Damodar, there was one professor. He came to California. He was speaking how from matter a life can be there. He has written one volume book and he has got Nobel Prize. And the book's name is Evolution of Chemical Life. So he is also doctor in chemistry or Samudra. He is also present there. As soon as he asked, sir, if I give you the chemicals, can you manufacture life? At the time he said, that I cannot say. Why cannot say? You are speaking the combination of a chemical brings in life. We are writing on book that life is from life, not from matter. That is not possible. These rascals are simply bluffing that from chemicals life can be manufactured. No. We challenge. Thank you very much.